You're going to stay in one place counting up to 8 twice to skip first 16 bits of the music. Start walking forward. We're going to focus on the man steps first. Start with the left leg, follow it with the right one, then 2 slightly quicker steps. Left, right. We're going to count this in a while. Now lead the lady forward with your right hand in front of yourself, and as she transfers her entire body weight onto her left leg, initiate her spin, moving your hand backward and to your right side with a circular motion. Take 2 more steps left, right to adjust the distance to end up facing the lady in the frame. Let's now focus on the lady's steps. Start with the right leg, 4 beats in the music. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 slightly quicker steps, right, left. Getting onto the left leg, you can rotate your body slightly clockwise as a preparation for the counterclockwise rotation that follows. Right leg, left one, and now finish the rotation with one more step connecting your feet together, facing the man. Place your left hand on the man's shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.